there are like two qualities of time, right, or of history you can live in. Either it's kind of a normal time or it's a moment of disruption. When you live, when you're a leader, so when it's a normal time, you don't need to pay that much attention to what's going on outside of your professional, institutional, or industry bubble. But when you live in a moment of disruption, it's actually part of your job. You as a leader, that's what you are being paid for, to pay attention what is going on in the bigger picture and what are these emerging, not only the driving forces of change that we already know, but what are the emerging next disruptors. But what does disruption mean? Disruption means the future is going to be different from the past, from what we are experiencing now, right? That's basic, so that's kind of the simple idea of disruption. We know a lot about the current situation. We know less about the emerging future. We have some views, but there's less agreement generally. I believe that's the #1 challenge in this century, right? Not only for our organizations, not only for our societies or industries, but also personally. Because time and again we are faced with disruption that requires us to invent and connect with and realize an emerging future that is more than just extending the trends of the past. You cannot change a system unless you transform consciousness. If you only, in a change process, change the structure, change the processes and the frameworks that people work with, but not change the deeper mindsets, right? The deeper way how you connect with reality, how you connect with each other, how you have conversations, then the same people in a new structure will reproduce the same problems. So closing the mind, the heart, the will, aka ignorance, hate, and fear. When you look at what does it take to lean into an emerging future that you don't even know what it is, it's these three things. That's your mental human operating system. Opening the mind, opening the heart, opening the will, aka accessing curiosity, compassion, courage.